Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do chocolate cake. And these are our ingredients. We have our sugar 250 grams, our margarine 250 grams, 5 pieces of eggs, and our flour 330 grams, and cocoa powder 20 grams, plus 10 grams of baking powder, plus a little bit, few drops of vanilla essence, and that is it. So to start, we'll start by putting sugar and our butter, our margarine, sorry. But it's okay, you can also use butter if you have, it's still okay. But I'm using margarine. So we are going to do the creaming method. We cream it and we let it fluff. Then we go to the next step. Our mix is ready. Now we start putting eggs. We lower the speed and we put one at a time. Again, we lower the speed and we start putting our flour mixed with cocoa powder little by little until it's finished. Mix is ready. Now we are going to incorporate it just a little bit with our hands manually before we put it in our baking tin. We are going to bake it in our oven 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Now let's cut the cake and see how it is from inside. Very nice chocolate cake. You can see how it baked. It baked so well, so well. Please try my recipe. and let me know in the comment section how my cake was, and I'll be so happy when I read your comments and I see that you have tried doing the cake. Also, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you liked the cake, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.